Hey, this is Shu with the Kong Shu Project. In this session, we'll be teaching you how to play a few songs, or I'll be teaching you. Kong's behind the camera. We'll be teaching you how to play a song, Txoj Kev. This video was requested a while back, but never got to it, so we apologize for that. Anyways, I'll be teaching you guys how to play the song, and originally on the CD, it's played with a G chord, but it's tuned half a step down. So, it's played a little lower. So from this video I'll be tuning it to standard and just tuning guitar to standard, tuning E, A, D, G, B, E, I believe. But yes, and just follow along. Disregard the capo. That's just there because I have my guitar tuned half step down. So I move everything up one fret. So first off, I'll play it through regular speed, and then I'll slow it down. And now, slowed down. First, you start with the pull-off. And then... That's it. I'll be teaching the chorus. You know, the intro, and that's it. And this is the intro. If you want to learn the verse or chorus, it's pretty simple. Just listen by ear and pick up the chords. It's very easy. It's just it's based around the G chord, and it doesn't go into any different octaves or any different chord progressions. So just follow around that. This is the skeleton of the song. So hope you pick it up, and if you learn it, be sure to post a video of yourself playing it, and so that we can take a look at it too. Alright, thank you.